Tokens are the building blocks of AI language models, and understanding them is crucial for grasping how these systems operate. Each token can represent a word, part of a word, or even punctuation. In essence, they are the units of meaning that AI processes to generate text. The more tokens a model uses, the more complex and nuanced its output can be. Now, why do tokens matter? First, let's talk about cost. Many AI services charge based on the number of tokens processed. This means that longer inputs or outputs can significantly increase your expenses. For instance, if you're using a model for customer support and each interaction requires a high token count, your costs can escalate quickly. Understanding token usage allows you to optimize your queries, ensuring you get the most value for your investment. Next, let's consider performance. The efficiency of an AI model is often tied to its token limit. Models have a maximum number of tokens they can handle in a single request, which affects how much context they can consider when generating responses. If you exceed this limit, the model may truncate your input, leading to incomplete or less relevant outputs. By managing your token count effectively, you can enhance the quality of the AI's responses, making them more accurate and contextually appropriate. Now, let's visualize this with a token counter and a price chart. As you increase the number of keep an eye on those tokens. They are the key to unlocking the full potential of AI.
Imagine a world where technology doesn't just respond to our commands, but actively manages tasks and orchestrates workflows. This is the essence of an AI agent. An AI agent isn't merely a chatbot, it's a sophisticated system designed to plan, reason, and take action. Think of it as an intelligent project manager. While a traditional model might answer your questions, an AI agent goes beyond that. It can break down complex tasks into manageable steps, call upon various tools, and even communicate with other agents to ensure everything runs smoothly. Picture this. You have a project that requires multiple components: data analysis, content creation, and scheduling. Instead of juggling these tasks yourself, you can rely on an AI agent to handle them. It assesses the requirements, decides which tools to use, and coordinates with other agents to execute the plan efficiently. Now, let's dive into how this works. At the core of an AI agent's functionality are decision nodes. These nodes represent critical points where the agent evaluates options and makes choices. For instance, if it encounters a problem, it can analyze the situation, weigh potential solutions, and select the best course of action. This decision-making process is what sets AI agents apart from simpler systems. As we pan across the agent diagram, notice how each component interacts seamlessly. The workflow is fluid, showcasing the orchestration of tasks in real time. The agent can adapt to changing circumstances, rerouting its efforts as needed. This dynamic capability is essential in today's fast-paced environment, where flexibility and responsiveness are key. Moreover, the visual overlays highlight the tools at the agent's disposal. From data analytics platforms to communication apps, these icons represent the diverse resources an AI agent can leverage. It's like having a toolbox filled with everything needed to tackle any challenge that arises. In essence, an AI agent embodies the future of intelligent automation. It's not just about answering questions, it's about executing plans, optimizing processes, and enhancing productivity. By integrating AI agents into our workflows, we can unlock new levels of efficiency and creativity, allowing us to focus on what truly matters: innovation and growth. So, the next time you think about AI, remember that it's not just a tool for conversation. It's a powerful ally in orchestrating tasks and driving success. Embrace this technology and watch as it transforms the way you work and achieve your goals. Imagine waking up in the morning, sipping your coffee, And instead of diving into a mountain of emails, you simply say, "Agent, handle my inbox." Instantly, your AI agent sorts through your messages, prioritizing the important ones, drafting responses, and even scheduling meetings. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality of AI automation today. Now think about reports. We all know how tedious it can be to sift through data, analyze trends, and compile findings. But with AI agents, you can just say, "Summarize this report for me." In seconds, it distills the key points, highlights the insights, and presents it in a clear, concise format. You can focus on strategy instead of getting bogged down in details. And coding? That's where it gets really exciting. Picture this. You need a landing page for a new product. Instead of spending hours or even days on design and development, you simply tell your AI agent, "Build me a landing page." It conducts the necessary research, writes the code, and even deploys it, all while you're still enjoying your coffee. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. AI agents are transforming workflows across industries. In marketing, they analyze customer data to create personalized campaigns. In finance, they automate transaction processing and generate reports in real time. Even in healthcare, AI is assisting with patient management and data analysis, allowing professionals to focus on patient care rather than paperwork. The beauty of these AI agents is their ability to learn and adapt. The more you use them, the better they understand your preferences and workflows. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, always ready to tackle the next task on your list. Imagine the time you'll save. No more repetitive tasks eating away at your day. Instead, you can dedicate your energy to creative problem solving, strategic planning, or simply enjoying more free time. The potential is limitless. As we continue to embrace this technology, it's essential to remember that AI agents are here to enhance our capabilities, not replace us. They empower us to work smarter, not harder. So, the next time you find yourself overwhelmed with tasks, just remember, with the right AI agent, you can automate your workflow and reclaim your time. This is just the beginning of a new era in productivity.
Imagine a world where the mundane tasks that eat up your time are handled effortlessly, allowing you to unleash your full potential. That's the promise of AI agents. They don't replace you, they amplify you. Think about it. How much of your day is spent on repetitive work, sifting through emails, scheduling meetings, or managing data? These tasks can be draining and time-consuming, pulling you away from what truly matters: strategy and creativity. With AI agents, you can delegate these repetitive tasks. They can analyze data faster than any human, sort through information, and even predict trends. This means you can focus on the big picture, on innovative ideas that drive your projects forward. Imagine brainstorming your next big campaign while an AI sorts through customer feedback, identifying patterns and insights that you can use to refine your strategy. You're not just working harder, you're working smarter. The beauty of AI is that it learns and adapts. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and workflow. This isn't just about speed, it's about enhancing your decision-making process. You're empowered to make informed choices based on real-time data, which can lead to breakthroughs that you might not have achieved alone. And let's talk about creativity. AI can be a powerful collaborator. It can generate ideas, suggest solutions, and even help you visualize concepts. Picture having an AI brainstorming partner that can provide you with a wealth of information and inspiration at your fingertips. You're not just faster, you're superhuman. You're able to explore avenues you might not have considered, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The future isn't about humans versus AI, it's about humans plus AI. Together, we can achieve incredible things. By embracing AI agents, you're not just keeping pace with the demands of your work. You're stepping into a new realm of productivity. You're becoming a superhuman version of yourself, equipped with tools that enhance your abilities and free you to focus on what truly matters. So let's harness this technology and redefine what we can accomplish together. The possibilities are limitless.